I told my subs I would video every day, so since I don't got a video for today, they can see how crazy my cats are when it's feeding time. But it's kind of hard to video and feed them at the same time. Are they crazy? No video ideas, so this is what we get. Yeah. Make it kind of hard. Let's see if Tang's going to do his thing and follow me around with every bowl. Every time I make a bowl. Are you going to do that to me this time, Tang? If he doesn't, yeah, see? And then knocks it out of my hand. And he sits there for a minute. And see? This is what he does. Until he finally picks a bowl.
You gotta get the first bite out of every bowl.
All right, yep, and see, here he is.
Because he's spoiled.
Excuse me, Skittles. And did you finally choose a bowl? Oh, I need to get another plate. Excuse me, cats. Nope, now I moved over to this bowl. He can never pick a spot. It's been 2 minutes so far, you still haven't picked a spot. Oh, here. How about this one? It's the last one, Tang. There's empty bowls, but they fight.
Yeah, you don't even get in that trash. You get your butt back in that living room.
Oh, I know what the deal is. I still got to make a couple more plates. All right, though. It took me 2 minutes and 50 seconds just to do that. Takes me a minute.